Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa, and in this video we are going to learn how to write a C program to find cube of a number using function. So let us begin with the preprocessor directive hash include stdio.h header file, and then we'll write hash include conio .h, then we'll write void main function curly open brace. This indicates the beginning of body of a main function, and now we are going to declare the function with return type int. Name of the function is cube, and inside the round braces we are going to write int and semicolon. This is also called function prototype. Function prototype is a declaration of a function that creates interface for the compiler that tells the compiler this particular function is present and search for the same and then execute the instructions written in it. So which is similar to declaring the variables before using them in the function. We have to declare the function. Now we are going to write int n. So it is a common variable of type integer. Then I'm going to write CLR SCR, that is used for clearing the screen. Now I'm going to write printf. In a double quotation mark, I'll write enter the number, double quotation mark, and put semicolon. Now I have to receive the value for n. For that I'm going to write scanf, and in a double quotation mark I'll write %d, that is a format specifier, comma, ampersand of n and semicolon. Now I'm going to write print f, and then I'll write cube of format specifier %d is format specifier %d, end the double quotation mark, put comma, n value, comma, next we have cube of n, and close the round braces and put semicolon. Here this cube of n is a function call. So whenever the compiler encounters with this particular statement, immediately the control transfers to the function definition, which we are going to write. So here I'm going to write get ch semicolon, and curly closing brace indicates it's a termination point of a main function. Now it's time to define a function called cube. Return type is int. As per the function prototype, I'll write cube, and then inside the round bracket I'm going to write int, and then I'm going to write a variable called a. Curly open brace indicates this is the beginning of body of a cube function. Now I'm going to write return. I want to find the cube of a number. For that I have to write a into a. So 3 times I have to multiply in order to get the cube of a number, and then curly closing brace. So when we compile and run this particular program, for the first time it is going to ask the user to enter the number. So as soon as the user enters any number, so here this particular statement will get executed. Before it executes and prints the value or cube of a number, here is a function called cube of n. So whenever the compiler encounters with this particular function call, automatically control jumps to this function definition. So this is going to return value back to the calling function, and it is going to print the appropriate result. So we are going to execute this particular program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. Here we are going to write the purpose of the program in a comment line. I'll use single line comment by writing double forward slash. I'll write a C program to find cube of a number using function. Yes, this particular line of statement will be ignored by the compiler. So let us begin with the preprocessor directive hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h. Then we'll write void is a keyword, main is a function, curly open brace, and then we'll declare int cube, and inside the round parenthesis we will write int and put semicolon. So here we are going to write in a single line comment. This one is a function prototype. Now we'll declare a variable called n of type integer, and I'll use CLR SCR function to clear the screen. Printf. So I want to take some input from the user. For that I have to show some message. Enter the number, and I'll put semicolon for this particular statement. And in order to receive, I have to write scanf, and in a double quotation mark I have to write %d, that is a format specifier, and then put comma ampersand of n, then put semicolon. Now we have to write printf, and inside the bracket in a double quotation mark I'm going to write cube of %d is %d, that is a format specifier. Then put comma. The first format specifier represent the value of n, and the second format specifier represent a function call cube of n, and then put semicolon. And now we'll write get ch function, put semicolon, curly closing brace, and then we are going to define the function now. So I'll write int cube, and inside the round bracket we are going to write int a without any semicolon, curly open brace. Here I'm going to write return. We want to find the cube of a number, hence I'm going to multiply this variable a 3 times, and then put curly closing brace. Now we have to save before executing this particular program. For that I have to press F2 on my keyboard. So here I have to save this particular file with .c extension. Now up to bin I am going to remove, and now I'm going to save this particular file as cube.c, and I'm going to press enter. Here it is already existing with the same name. I'm going to press S to save this particular file. Now it's time to compile this particular program. So for that I'm going to press Alt F9. Here you can see it is showing success. There is no syntax error. Now I have to run this particular program. For that I have to press Control F9. Here you can see it is asking the number. For example, I'm going to enter 5 and then press enter. Here you can see it is showing cube of 5 is 125. Now if you want, you can just trace this particular program by pressing F7. So here you can see, so first it is showing a green color strip on main function. So continue pressing F7. So it has entered into the body of main function, and here you can see it is asking enter the number, and now I'm going to enter 5 once again and press enter. Here you can see we have encountered with the printf statement that consisting of a function call, that is cube of n. So as soon as I press F7, the control transfers to the function definition. Here you can see it is executing this particular statement by showing the value of cube of 5 is 125. I hope all of you understood this. If not, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.